Hi friends, welcome to this video. Today I want to share with you how to we can make English environment around us without living in English native speaking country. And we have no friends to talk in English. So English environment is mostly important for us to consuming English content. So how do we can get that kinds of the environment? So you know in this day today we have smartphone and TVs, which is very useful if you use purpose making English environment. Whenever you're going to watch movie, that time you need to be choose English movies and watch them, and watch the movie and notice that accent and word and sentences, and after that apply that kinds of the sentence in your life. And another way is we have smartphone, which is very useful, and a YouTube lots of the video which is the English content, and you need to be choose the English native speaking person, and those who are speaking in English and their accent is a native speaking accent, which is very essential for us because we need to consume English native speaking person's accent. So that's why we need to follow them and watch their videos and notice that kinds of the accent, word, and sentence, which is we can easily apply in our life to progress in English. And another way is we need to think in our mind because we are not living in English native speaking country. So we need to think in our mind. Whenever you go, you need to think in English. Any kinds of the thing you may be think in English. And so this is after thinking and consuming massive kinds of the content, we need to at least practice. Without practice, we cannot get fluency. So how do we can get practice? Just you need to stand up front of the mirror and speak any kinds of the topics at least 5 to 10 minutes. And you know what, no one going to be just your speaking in English because you are just speaking in front of the mirror. And another ways, we can take a video record by itself, just record any kinds of the topics and 5 to 10 minutes, and after recording you can easily analyze your own video, uh, which word you are saying wrong and which word you are saying right. Okay, at least you need to practice every day to progress your English language. And another ways, we have lots of the books and newspaper is very effective for uh, those who are want to progress vocabulary. So these are also very helpful for progress in English. So this is the my method to technique to progress to fluency, uh, to get in fluency in English. So if you like my videos, then you can hit like that button, and if you want to more like this video, then you can subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.